SNS College of Engineering. I am talking about artificial intelligence in chemistry. The first introduction. Artificial intelligence is beginning useful for more and more type of chemistry performance various tasks. Organized research in the all applied to the chemistry has largely been pulled by the new to accelerate drug the desired and direction is huge court and the timing to make new drugs. We will provide the general picture of the A1 can be used help chemistry be fast and more certain in their precision. Next topic molecular property protection. When scientific design now molecule for the certain application they have synchronized them to check expectational that they possess the right properties. If they don't have the certain text the molecules synchronized molecules example and education until they obtained molecules that satisfy their recent operation properties performance price being able to alkalize production the hypomolecules would allows the reason to synchronize only the most production on one and avoid the synchronize and test the molecule that and process to design the production. Next topic production property production by the artificial intelligence. A1 based organize or particular will suitable to problem for the suitable for what to the physical law that determines the molecular production to participate or not excellent known or when expertical relationship would be to completed to essential example because of the strong non-relation cooperation between the parameters interest interestingly A1 can use the result of production made by the physical or physical relationship as input to the data and technical called stacking. Next topic molecular designing. Designing in a new molecule is one of the highest value adding that the chemistry performance. They usual for their chemical knowledge. Their domain know that their certificate of properties no molecules structure that are tested either variable in the relevant application. The human and might not be capturable designing such a large set of molecular in the reasonable time. Artificial intelligence have emerged as a variable complement to be the humanity certificate for the designing new molecules as discussed in the two reviews. It is less basis that human settings in the training data set includes the basis in the set of generation and they can be generate huge number of molecules in the short times. Next topic retosynchronizes. Imagine that you have identified promising molecule and what you have synchronized it. You will start by the performance of rheostatic going backwards of the largest molecule to be commercially available starting materials in one of the surveilling reaction steps. However, recently surveilling performance molecule teams and based organized have been developed to the assigned chemistry doing the rheostatic tropical millions of lines to the millions the user input to the molecule that he want to synchronize into the program and the machine learning the analyze rating the rheostatic trees. Each node of the three synchronized communicate and each leaf of the tree is the communicate available strength of molecule reaction outcome production. When you have identified the molecule that you want to synchronize and that don't do it rheostatic by using the A1 based rheostatic program recognized in the part of above. You may want two variables that each one of the synchronized step is actually variable. Reaction condition production. Once you have identified reaction that you want to run, the still they have two suitable reaction condition: synchronous reaction temperature, concurrent reaction time. Performance method. You can make the guess using your experience and institution, and you can also search for the limitation for the smile reaction and use same condition for your first synchronized attempt in the laboratory. Next, chemistry reaction operation. When you have determined what machine would make the synchronized and what reaction you want to use, the synchronized it react. Next step to the analyze the condition for the example. You want to know temperature constant quickly to synchronize the reaction, and that time will learn to design the molecules in their highest possible order. Next topic, conclusion. Machine large based tools are now capable of helping the scientist designing new the molecules and the synchronize. Then it may causes their tools reaction improvement performance and the booster chemistry perfectly. We can expect the reaction will be improved that a lot of next few years, and these tools will be essential for chemistry.